Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Haziq bin Ridha with metric number 200422.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Intan Aida Zulaiqa binti Abdul Aziz and my matrix number is 202787.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aishah binti Abd Rahman and my metric number is 200318.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Muhammad Pauzi. My metric number is 203239.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wan Ahmad Arifuddin bin Hassan. My matrix number is 198483.
So I will start the presentation. For the introduction for our program, during this pandemic, all marathon programs were suspended. So to overcome this, we developed a program to make user experience a marathon or fundraise virtually, which means in virtually, the user can do the marathon in their home at no matter time. It will be convenient for them. Brief literature review. Virtual Run is quite a new activity to people, especially Malaysian. With the help of information and communication technology, people can do virtual run in any places. Using virtual realistic VR will enhance and give a sense of real marathon. Over time, virtual run will become more popular based on current technologies, and Malaysia will have many events like this. For example, Selangor SDIV Virtual Run Second Edition. Thank you, frontliners. Malaysia Virtual Marathon Kuala Lumpur 2020 and Melaka Day Virtual Run 2020. Based on promoting physical activity by massive competition virtual marathon by Yuka Naganishi and Yasuhiko Kitamura, there are some gaps between the research because they make an app based on C and they recorded the time and distance, so it will be easier for them to track the time so that the user cannot cheat. So how can we do imply to us? We can use the idea research by Sir Berman. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the problem statement, first is social distancing. Infection with the COVID-19 has halted virtually all formal participation in sport and exercise. Thus, virtual run is a good alternative to curb this constraint. Second is to compete with the others. When we are doing physical run, we are actually compete with the others. We need to challenge ourselves until the finishing line to get a medal. Thus, virtual run works for non-competitive runners. You can walk the whole race if you desire, because you are truly the only competitor that matters. Third, costs money. Sure, physical running costs you money is because you have to pay for an entry fee, pay for a hotel, flight ticket, parking ticket, and all the food that you would normally consume when you travel to a different place to race. Therefore, virtual run allows you to stay within your budget. You just need to pay for the package itself. For the objective, first is to design a virtual run application within all people over the world using engineering algorithms concept. Second is motivate runners in achieving their goals by offering platform for virtual races. And the last one is to promote a healthy lifestyle across the globe.
Alright, moving on to the next part, which is methodology. Our program is divided into two segments, which is general interface and admin interface. Before we run our program, we need to use the C++ compiler, which story function was introduced in C++11 compiler. So to do it, first of all, we need to go to tools and choose compiler option. Next, copy and paste std equals C++11 to the top box in general tab. So here is how we do it. First of all, we choose the tool. Okay, and then choose compiler option. Next, copy paste std C++ equals 11. Then press OK, like that, just like that. Okay, moving on. For the flowchart, first of all, we run the start, And then there is the general interface, which shows virtual run contributor deal with the choices. Then we input the choices. If we choose the first one, which is the participant registration, the program will read name, name on EBIT, email address, date of birth, month of birth, postal address, phone number, and age. Then after that, the program will display receipt. Then participant info and receipt will be stored in file, which is database txt and receipt txt. Then it will go back to the main interface. Next, if the user choose choice 2, it will go to refine, where the program will ask registration name and tracking number. And after that, the program will ask the complaint comment towards the service. Next, after that, participant info will be deleted from file and the name is cancelled successfully. Alright, if the user choose third choice, which is admin login, it will go to admin interface, which will be explained by Luqman. Moving on to the next choice. For the fourth choice, okay, this is admin interface. Okay, for the fourth choice, it's about us, about our program. We will display about us, which you will see in the demo. And then after that, it will go back to main interface. And if user choose choice 5, if it exit the program, it will exit from the program. And if the user enter other choice, then the 5 option, it will come out invalid choice and then come back to main interface. Alright, that's all. Moving on to the admin interface will be presented by Luqman.
Okay, I would like to explain a little bit more detail about the flowchart of admin interface. Okay, as we can see here, if the user enter choices number 3, if the user enter choice number 3, we will redirect them to administrator login, in which they need to enter their username and password, admin username and password. If the username and password entered is not the same as the username and password inside administrator list.txt, a text file, then we will display invalid username or password, in which they will go back to main menu. If it is true, however, we will bring them to admin interface as an admin. After that, the admin will be given 5 choices. The first choice is to display participant list in the form of a table, so that the admin can see the list of participants joining this event. If the admin choose choices number 2, they can sort the participant into a few different categories. If choice equal to 1, so they can sort by name, 2 by age, 3 by EB, 4 by courses, and 5 by tracking number. Let's say that the admin wants to sort by age. We will ask them again, do you want to display in ascending order or descending order? If the admin choose choice number 1, they will display in ascending order. If the admin choose choice number 2, they will display in descending order. If they choose other than that, it will display invalid and try again, and will bring back to input the choices. Okay, display after they display the sorted list, they will go back to admin main menu. Okay, now at the main menu, if the admin choose choice number 3, then they will check participant details, but the admin need to enter the participant's name that is registered using their system. After they enter it, it will display the name, EBIP, email, birthday, address, phone number, age, course taken, and tracking number. After that, they will go back to main menu. If choices is 4, however, they will go back to the main menu, the user main menu, and if the choices is 5, they will terminate the program. Alright, let's take a look at the design of our code. Alright, here we have our struct, and then this object containing all the details needed. This is the function that we are using, all of this function. Okay, the first important function that I'm going to talk about is check database. If there is no data inside database.txt, then we will go directly straight to operation. If there is, then the data inside the file will be divided into respective categories such as name, EBIP, email, postcode, and many more. all of them will be passed to direct link function to form H table and insert linked list function to form a linked list. In void operation, we have a few choices that the user can enter. The first is the first option is to register their detail. The second is to ask for refund and cancel their order. The third option is to register to log in as admin. The fourth option is about the organizer's event, and for five choices, we'll terminate the program. In the register function, after entering all their data regarding the name, age, month, we will assign a tracking number to this individual, in which all of them will be sent to a hashing table and inside a linked list. Okay. After that, we will show the registered user their details and confirmation of their products, and in file receipt, and then we also store their name inside the data so that we can view them again after terminating the program. The next important part is, of course, the admin login. The admin login is we also have a sorting function for EB, tracking number, and many more. Okay, the next important part is the admin login, in which the admin can choose whether to they want to show the list of participants, sort participant list, to show participant details, and the fourth option to go back to main menu or terminate the program. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
I am going to demonstrate our program. This is our program. There are 5 options, which is registration, refund, admin login, about us, and exit the program. So to register, we have to put 1 and key in all the details. And this is the category, so I will choose as example 1. So for 3 kilometer, right? So this is our receipt. So the crucial part is for this tracking number, if they want to refund or something else. So let me take a picture of it, because we cannot copy and paste in the program. So for refund, we are going to put their name and their taking number. And no. Okay, cancellation successful. So for admin login, username is UCSE, password is 1920. So we have been entitled to access the admin. So this is the admin interface. So there are 5 choices: display participant list, sort participants, check participant details, return main menu. 5 is exit the program. So first I am going to show display participant list. So here is the participant list from Omi, Irina, Shabil, and so on. So to sort the participant, as an example, because this video is 50 minutes, so I have to make it fast. So I will just put 1 only by name and to ascending order. So this is the program from Azad, Bukhari, Fadila Husna, Muhammad, Nabil, Omin, Irina, and so on. So the chat participant list, okay. So we have to check the name. So as example, my name itself, Ahmad Arifuddin. So this is the my details, because we use searching. Okay. Okay, so return to main menu, and I will choose 4 about us. Okay, this is about us, and I want to exit our program, and that's all from me. Thank you.